Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. This month, we focus on ways to help you get more out of your food dollar with a series of rice dishes. And here's today's host.
Hello, welcome to our show. Today we are looking at using cheese to enhance our meals. Joining me for today's program is Hope Carr. Hi Hope, welcome to Creative Cooking again.
Hi Mazie, I'm so glad you asked me again.
Let us share with our consumers, Hope, uses of cheese. Some of the dishes we can make with cheese.
I've known of cheesy dumplings, cheesy festival, macaroni and cheese sauces over vegetables, lots and lots of stuff.
I find it makes an excellent breakfast idea. So
yes,
it served in an omelette,
right? Or grilled on bread,
cheese, right?
Yes.
It really is very satisfying and very filling.
Yes.
I find I make a quick cheese bread, which is, as its name implies, a quick bread, and using baking powder here as a raising agent, and that is good stuff. Another favorite dish at Grace Kitchen is fluffy cheese rice.
Wow, I've never had that.
The rice is boiled, very shelly grains, and you add the grated cheese to that, natural cheddar cheese to the hot rice, and the heat from the rice is enough to melt the cheese. So with Grace whole kernel corn and Grace mixed vegetables, chopped onions and sweet peppers, that
sounds good.
If you add some Grace cock soup to that, we could talk about that. Excellent for dinner. Really is very satisfying. Well, Hope those are a number of ideas we could share. There are so many more.
That's true.
We ask that if you get in touch with us at Grace Kitchens, and I know you have quite a collection at their industries too. Right? We'll be happy to share these and other cheese recipes with you. In just a minute, I'll show you how to make a baked rice and cheese. Making baked rice and cheese. I begin by melting Grace Hello soft margarine. Allow this to melt. Add the flour. And we're cooking the flour and fat mixture, stirring constantly. Now that we are finished cooking the roux, we will add the milk. And again, we continue stirring. It's very important that you stir constantly, or you're going to end up with lumping. Again, the white sauce must be very smooth. Because of the presence of the flour, the white sauce will thicken. Very smooth, as you can see, and we're just allowing time for this to come to a boil. At this point, we're ready to add our seasonings. We have some chopped scallion. We have some chopped onion. And we're using some garlic. And a dash of Grace hot pepper sauce makes a difference in the dish. We can now add the cheese. And notice we are using natural cheddar cheese. And natural cheddar cheese will melt readily on the application of heat. It is now time to add the rice. The rice was boiled ahead of time. We can turn off this flame, mix the rice in well. We're going to add we're adding a can of Grace mixed vegetables. If at home you have children, carrots and string beans, we expect that you're going to blanch them and add this to the dish. Pour the mixture in the greased casserole. See? Enough, just enough for the size dish. Next, we will grate on some cheese on this dish. We're topping it a little of the grated cheese. We will dust next with breadcrumbs. And the breadcrumb help to give a lovely crust to this baked rice and cheese. And we're not finished yet. We're adding a little bit of paprika. The paprika has no food value, but it contributes to a lovely color. We will put this dish in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will bake it for somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes. I went ahead and prepared a dish just for you. Here it is, the baked rice and cheese. We have served it with a green salad, using here lettuce as the base of the salad, and we have used cucumber slices with strips of peppers as garnish. And we have also served this with a vinaigrette dressing. I know that many of us have a concern with storage of cheese in the home, and so when we come back, we will share some tips with you on storing cheese at home. We have a number of requests from consumers to advise them on the storage, the proper storage of cheese. And joining me to answer that question is Hope Carr. Cheese is one of those foods that will readily absorb all the food flavors around, the scallion and the onion, the pepper. It absorbs the different food flavors from the refrigerator. So it is critical that it be packaged well.
Right.
And what does packaging well mean?
Okay, packaging well means sealing it in a plastic container. If you have a Ziploc bag, or if you have one of those Ziploc packages, you know, the plastic tubs that has a good solid cover, then you can use that. It really seals everything out, so it keeps the cheese right where it needs to be.
Before we go, we want to just remind our viewers about the food value of cheese.
Okay, we have protein, which is an important thing, especially for growing children. Protein is important for bones and teeth.
Yes, sure.
And the protein that's available in the cheese is in the right form that your body can absorb.
Very delicious.
And you'll also have calcium.
Yes.
But calcium needs another mineral to help it being absorbed, and that's phosphorus, which is also found in the milk that makes the cheese.
Beautiful.
So you have a balanced meal or a balanced food right there that will give you all the nutrients you need for growth, healthy teeth and healthy bones.
Definitely. Well, I hope we could talk forever. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
We look forward to you joining us on the program. That's our show for today. If you have any questions or recipes you'd like to share, let us hear from you. Till next time, thanks for watching.
We hope you found the series of rice dishes helpful as a way to stretch your food dollar. Next week, we'll feature a special recipe for Valentine's Day. So tune in to Smile Jamaica next Monday morning at 7:35 with a repeat on Sunday at 2:20 p.m. See you then.